Piccolo from Dragon Ball is the one and only Pops in the series. We all know that Piccolo is that green Namekian that everyone likes. But truth be told, Saiyans are really the most popular race within Dragon Ball. However, we saw through the series that Piccolo is ready to bang with the best, and he's also willing to step in when others won't. Of course, I'm talking no other than Gohan, the hybrid Saiyan that does not get the love that he deserves from his dad. I'm talking about his real dad, Son Goku, because Piccolo kind of fits that role. It's interesting to see that even though a Namekian can reproduce by themselves, he's still got that fatherly figure in him. But let me know what you think of Piccolo in the comments down below.